CBMoneyVine review, demo, and $3,075 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my CBMoneyVine review. Now this is one of the cleverest systems I've seen in a long time. Essentially what you're gonna have to be doing is giving away a free membership, a free website, and then you are making money, and it doesn't even matter if someone buys an upsell or not, you are always getting commissions. So that's why it's so brilliant. I'm going to show you all of it. So we're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area. I'm going to show you an example page. We're gonna go through all of the bonuses, and I have a massive bonus worth over $3,000, and that includes a piece of software which is pretty amazing. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this review. CBMoneyVine, as you can see, the sales page will say bug the system, reverse income software generates 4,270 money links that stuff his account on autopilot with fed commissions of up to $500 a pop. I'm going to explain all of this in a second. Obviously these guys have a ton of proof behind it, the easiest money system ever, and in a second you're gonna see why. Obviously you can make a ton of money this way. And again, CBMoneyVine, this is the name of this product, and this is my CBMoneyVine review. So this system works in reverse. So why it works in reverse? Because even if someone will not buy the system from you, if they won't buy any upsells, you are still making money, and that's why it is so brilliant. And again, in a second I'm going to explain exactly why. So we're getting the software, the system, all of the video training. You can create the residual income this way. Scrolling down here, yeah, that's essentially you're getting 100% money back guarantee, and this is from Tom E and Bryan Winters. If you don't know these two guys, every single product from Bryan Winters I'm actually using myself. Now I'm reviewing a ton of products, dozens of products per month in some cases. I don't always have the time to actually use them in my business, all of them, because some of them are pretty similar. But whatever Bryan is releasing, I'm always using in my own business. I always use these systems because they are just a no-brainer. They make a ton of money, and I've used his systems in the past and I've made thousands of dollars, okay? So that's essentially it. You can go through the whole sales page in your own time. And even before I'm going to show you the members area, I wanted to show you an example page. So once you're gonna get the access to your members area, you're gonna get a link that essentially you're gonna have to promote. So this link will take you to a page like this. Essentially gonna be giving away a free website, a free membership to the CBMoneyVine program. Now, as you can see, every single person that will be presented with it will see something like this, up to $500 a pop. Here's how I'm stuffing my account with daily autopilot commissions on over 4,000 products. So they're gonna have a little demo video, and the people that will sign up through your link will have to enter their email, and they're gonna join for free. Obviously they're gonna have a little FAQ here, and obviously they have more information. So essentially, again, you're just giving away a free website, a free membership. Who doesn't want a free website, right? So this is super easy to actually get people to subscribe with. And, everyone wants a free website, everyone wants to make money online, and this is much better, comparing to giving away like a PLR course or some video that no one will ever watch. So this just makes much more sense. It's proven to work, proven to convert, and this is something of real value that you are actually giving away and building your list with, okay? So this is what you're going to be giving away, and the inside of the members area looks like this. Now this system is super simple. All you have to do is just get your link, keep on sending traffic to that link, and these guys will show you how to generate the traffic as well. And everything else is automated. So you have a 17-minute video explaining the whole process. It's sort of it takes a little while to understand it, but the idea is super simple. So let me just walk you through all of this. So once someone will be presented with this free website, then they can do two things. They can buy the upgrade and buy the same exact membership that you did, and by the way, it's $20, so you're going to be getting $10 commissions, and that's per month, which means that you're going to be getting residual commissions every single month, okay? And by the way, you are getting in for a one-time price, okay? So you're getting in for a one-time price, and everyone else will have to pay per month. And the cool thing is that obviously if someone buys, you're gonna get 50% commissions. If they don't buy, this system will force them to buy something and spend money, and you are getting paid every single time, okay? So even if they will not upgrade, even they will not choose the paid option, they will still buy something down the road, and you are getting paid for it, okay? So that's why this is so amazing. So let's say someone didn't buy anything and they went with the free option. They too can now give away a free website just like you did. But if they want to make money with whatever they're giving away, they will have to buy one of the products that are added right here in the CBMoneyVine marketplace, okay? So the cool thing is that they don't have to spend money up front, but these are products that they would buy anyway, okay? So we all buy products online. And you know, as you can see, you have a bunch of different niches. So arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, computer, e-business, education, sports, travel, self-help, parenting. You have all these different niches. You have more than 4,000 products in the CBMoneyVine marketplace. And the cool thing is that if someone didn't upgrade their membership and they are not paying for CBMoneyVine, they can just buy one of these products, one per month, and they can extend their membership, okay? So if you're gonna scroll up all the way here, as you can see, your income status says active monetized, okay? If they will not buy anything and they will not buy one of these products, they will not be monetized, and they will be getting emails about their account being not monetized. So this literally forces them to either upgrade the account and pay monthly, which you're getting $10 per month per commission, or they're gonna buy one of these products through your affiliate link, okay? So once they're gonna buy it, this is, you know, a little submit area right here where they submit their receive, which means that you are literally forcing them to buy different products through your affiliate link. And you have a few examples of these products. As you can see, they can buy CV passive income for $497, and you're getting a commission on this. They can buy like physical products like you know, a spray or like a green juice, or even towels, books, whatever they decide to buy, you are getting a commission on. So essentially, whatever they do, if they will decide to grab a copy of this free website, they will have to spend money. They will either have to upgrade or they will have to buy a product, and you are getting paid on both. So an amazing system. Essentially forces them, but it's all good for them because, you know, they will be able to monetize their Vine, CBMoneyVine as well, okay? So as you can see, you have your link right here. Then you can generate traffic to it in a bunch of different ways. So obviously you can do email ads, you can invite Facebook friends, you can invite Twitter followers, you can do banner ads, you can invite Facebook people from the Facebook group, your Instagram followers. They will include a ton of video training on how to do all of this, and in my bonus you're gonna get a ton of traffic strategies as well. But essentially all you have to do is just grab your link right here, then just share it all over the web. The more traffic you generate to it, the better, and then it doesn't matter if someone buys through it or not, you are still getting paid if they will buy anything from the marketplace. And by the way, if they are buying from the marketplace, they will have to buy one product per month. So again, this is something super passive because they will continue buying, and it's always through your affiliate link. Okay, guys, this is super easy. As you can see, it makes a ton of sense, and you can not only make money with it right now, but down the road, you know, passive income every single month. This is an amazing system, okay? And right now, let's jump into the funnel and the pricing. As you can see, CBMoneyVine will be $20. Now, this is a one-time price for you, but after the initial launch period, this will be $20 per month. And everyone that will sign up under you will be paying $20 per month. So just keep that in mind. You know, this is a passive income stream that you can create. Then we have CBMoneyVine OTO number 1 for $47, and this is a commission accelerator, which enables you to multiply your income via automatic pass-up commissions from your CBMoneyVine referrals. So just additional money that you can make from additional commissions, $47 OTO number 1. Then we have CBMoneyVine OTO number 2, $97, and this is 10K list mogul, enables you to cash in by capturing leads from your CBMoneyVine website automatically. and that includes a package of done for you follow-up emails. So a part of generating all these commissions, you can actually create a list and start promoting other offers to them. That's $97, OTO number 2. Then we have CBMoneyVine, OTO number 3, $197, and this is the four-figure commission club. This unlocks the ability to add an instant high-ticket backend in the form of auto webinars, and you're gonna get paid up to $500 a pop. So this backend will be seen not only by your direct referrals, but throughout your entire CBMoneyVine referral base. So $500 a pop, a pretty good deal, and it's only $197. So you can make this money back and essentially double it with just one sale. And then we have OTO number 4, CBMoneyVine, for $197 as well, and this is autopilot traffic co-op, which means that, so this is for users who want the traffic delivered to them on a silver platter on autopilot. So you only have to buy this once and you will be automatically added into a traffic rotation co-op, which means that you're gonna get hands-free traffic for life of the CBMoneyVine. So automatic traffic coming in to your link and signing people up, so even more commissions down the road. That's $197, OTO number 4, and CBMoneyVine OTO number 5, that's $397, and this is the 6-figure empire. And as you can see, you will get a package of 6 additional income streams. So CBMoneyVine is one, you're gonna get 6 more. And these are actually previous systems from Bryan, like Siphon Reloaded, like IG Money Tree, like Shop Monopoly. So you're getting 6 additional systems, just like MoneyVine, but a little bit different. So you can just multiply the amount of money that you are making. Obviously, all of the OTOs are optional. You'll be fine with the main product alone. Everything that I just showed you will be inside. You can start making money, giving away these free websites. Doesn't matter if someone buys or not, they will still have to pick up one product per month. You are getting paid on all of it. But if you want to make even more money with additional commissions, like with the OTO 1, or if you want maybe the traffic with the traffic co-op, then you can definitely think about picking up one of these OTOs, or 2 or 3 or all of them or none. Totally up to you, okay? Now guys, let me show you my bonuses, and first of all, let me just tell you that a lot of people will be promoting CBMoneyVine, and most of them will show you this page, okay? So this is the page with bonuses that every single affiliate gets, okay? So if you will see this page, you know, from other affiliates, it means that you will get all of these bonuses. This is a total of 5 bonuses, but with my bonus, you're gonna get these 5 bonuses and plus $3,000 on top of it, okay? So these are the bonuses that you're gonna get anyways. It doesn't matter who you're buying from. So you're gonna get the CBMoneyVine bonus page income system, then you're gonna get the 6-figure income suit, then you're gonna get cash blurbs, then you're gonna get my traffic co-op, and then you're gonna get from 0 to 124 hours. So you're gonna get these 5 bonuses from every single affiliate out there. It doesn't really matter who you're buying from, and you're gonna get this from me as well. And now let me show you my own bonuses, which are custom made and exclusive for this offer. So these bonuses are worth well over $3,000, and they say this is $5,000, so that will be a total of $8,000 in bonuses you'll be getting from myself. So the first bonus is a custom bonus for this offer exclusively, and you're gonna get nowhere else but as my bonus to CBMoneyVine, okay? And by the way, you're getting all of these bonuses for free, just as a thank you for picking up CBMoneyVine through my link. So you're gonna get Flipping Magic Pro software, okay? So this is a software that will be finding best deals when it comes to flipping websites online, okay? So obviously you can do this research manually, but if you want to have it done for you in a matter of seconds, this is the piece of software that I'm giving you for free, and this is just the first bonus, okay? Then I'm going to give you Flip Me, which is my flipping method. It's sold well over 10,000 copies right now. So this is an award-winning course on flipping and arbitrage, an absolute must-have. So again, Flip Me, it's still currently selling for $10, and I'm also going to give you the Income Booster, which sells for $27, and I'm going to give you a reseller's license to Flip Me as well, which currently sells for $67. So you have $100 right there just with these free bonuses. You're also going to get Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, make $4.97 over and over and over again. These are all W's of the day awarded courses, by the way. You're also gonna get affiliate rebirth, tidal wave traffic, urgent arbitrage cash. You're gonna get easy arbitrage profits. You're gonna get Blaze. This is the course that you want to use for generating free traffic from Facebook groups. Okay, so this is amazing as a bonus to CBMoneyVine because you will need traffic to your link, right? I'm also going to give you Tube Traffic Avalanche, everything you need to know about generating the traffic from YouTube, my own case study on how to generate traffic from Facebook. Now I'm going to give you 9 software and plugins as a part of this CBMoneyVine bonus package. Now you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and shortcode CTA. On top of all this, you're gonna get 18 additional bonuses, and that's a total of 41 bonuses worth $1,575. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, so you're getting all of this, and that will be a total of $3,075, and plus you're getting also the bonus that you're gonna get from every single affiliate out there, so that's a total of $8,000. You're gonna get all of this from myself just as a thank you again for picking up CBMoneyVine through my link. And CBMoneyVine will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on October 7th. Now, make sure to shop early to get the early bird discount. As I already told you, the price will be going not up, but it will be a monthly payment instead of a one-time price. So make sure to shop early to grab it with the early bird one-time price discount. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can let me know right here on my blog in the comments section, or you can just leave me a comment on my YouTube video. Please give it a like on YouTube, I really appreciate it, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!